Colony is about 15 minutes from the airport. It's about 10 minutes from Bastrop, and it's about 25 minutes from Austin.
We have a lot of mature oak trees, and people have blended their homes into the environment, and it makes a very nice landscape.
Lots of trees and wildlife and native areas, and it's nothing to see deer and turkey and a fox. Wildlife is just abundant here in the Colony.
You feel like you're in the country, even though you're close to the city.
This community seems to attract some of the most wonderful and friendly and honest, loving people that I've ever met. It's almost like you become family immediately.
It didn't take very long for us to feel like we were part of the community. We have felt like we are part of the community and have a social life and friends that will be lifelong friends.
There's a wide variety of ages, backgrounds, and as a result of that, it's just really a fun place to live.
Well, we found over the last few years living here that raising a family in the Colony has been incredible. There's tons of activities. We take walks, there's swimming, there's sports, fishing ponds, and it's a safe community.
We communicate with each other, and we take care of each other's property when we're gone. We watch out for each other.
One of the things that we really love about the Colony is the community center, the pool, the exercise room, and the pavilion.
There's plenty of room for a lot of people to enjoy a really nice family event or party.
There are lots of opportunities for activities in the Colony. There's yoga, there's the ladies' luncheon, there's a dance class, there's a ladies' group that plays Mahjong, a really popular game. The art classes.
There's activities for the men as well. There's several men's luncheon groups. There's tennis. There's men's walking groups. There's a number of residents in the Colony that belong to the Bastrop Area Cruisers, which is a local car club.
A lot of the Colony residents have either classic or specialty vehicles.
So downtown Bastrop is voted the most historic little downtown in Texas. And when you arrive downtown, you can see that it's lots of mom and pop shops, local owners, great little eateries, places to shop, antique stores, clothing, just about anything you're looking for.
You have McKinney Ruffs, which is a nature preserve that has 19 miles of hiking and equestrian trails right on the Colorado River. You have a number of parks that are downtown Bastrop, paddleboarding, canoeing, and just any kind of activity that you can think of for the family.
There's many perks of living at the Colony, but one of the ones that I take advantage of most is being a member at the Wolf Dancer Golf Club, which is the golf course located there at the Lost Pines Hyatt. Within 10 minutes, I'm at the golf course, and the membership is awesome. They've offered us a discount for being a resident in the Colony, and also with that membership, we're able to take advantage of the facilities there at the resort.
It offers fine dining and a great spa, and it's a wonderful place just to visit.
So we've had 2 children go through Bastrop Independent School District, and we've been very pleased. 2 graduated and 2 more going through the system now, and we're very pleased with the teachers and the staff, and we have an amazing state-of-the-art high school. It's brand new, it's beautiful.
We're real close to the local schools and the new athletic complex.
And it just feels like home, and it's peaceful in this neighborhood. Great place for the grandkids.
We believe that the unique feature of the Colony are the people who live here. Jean and I get up in the morning, we look outside, and I say, oh my God, this is heaven, this is heaven.